Good morning from Grand Family Farm. Out here feeding the animals. Mom and the babies. I like that grain. Gotta get her some water. Penelope, I don't know if she's pregnant or not, but she's not happy being in here. She does like her grain though. And the chickens, I don't know. I gave them some scratch. Gave them some love. They just like to complain. Well, we only got, what, 7 there? And we've been getting like 12. So hopefully, there'll be another couple of eggs later on at least. Yesterday there was a late arrival. So, yeah, there's a chicken over there right now. Looks like she's laying an egg. So, hopefully. Sally! 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 Come on! Gotta make sure we latch this. Since Petunia's gotten out of her pin in there a couple times. I'm not out for pig wrestling today. It's a little cold. Board's out here, he's lonely. He wants his ladies. They're both in the barn. Well, today's a sad day. Harold somehow escaped. I was reading up on the Joules on the hot box. Found out wasn't hot enough. It's pretty low rated. I wish I would have known that when I bought the hot box. The one we had before, we had no problems with animals escaping because it was hot enough. They stay away from the fence. Apparently, Harold pushed his way out. The zap wasn't good enough to make him afraid. So, if you happen to see my pig Harold run around the neighborhood, appreciate getting him back. He is kind of a pet. Well, hope your day is going better than ours. Thanks for watching.